In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit doc, PPT, XLS files in Canva. We'll walk through getting your files into Canva and updating them so they look polished and ready to share. Start by opening any design in Canva so you can see the left-hand toolbar. Click the Uploads tab. Then select Upload Files. Choose your document from your computer and confirm. Canva supports docs for Word, PPTX for PowerPoint, and XLSX for Excel. Keep an eye on file sizes. Most uploads can be up to 1 GB, while spreadsheet data imports should be 25 MB or less. If your file is close to the limit, consider removing large embedded media in the original app before uploading. Also, make sure you are using the modern file types docs, PPTX, and XLSX so Canva can convert them cleanly. Once the upload finishes, head to your recent designs. Click your uploaded file to open it in the Canva editor. From here, the editing experience depends a bit on the file type, but the core idea is the same. Canva converts your content so you can customize it with text, color, fonts, layouts, and graphics. If you uploaded a PowerPoint, each slide will appear as its own page. Select any element to change the text, swap fonts, or adjust colors to match your brand. You can add shapes, icons, or photos from the Canva library to enhance your visuals. If you used slide transitions previously, recreate the feel with Canva's animations by selecting an element or the page and choosing an animation style. After conversion, scan each page for text overflow or misaligned items and tweak spacing so everything looks balanced. If you uploaded a Word document, Canva will convert it to a scrolling Canva doc or a presentation style layout. Click into any paragraph to edit the copy, apply headings, and refine spacing. You can drop in images or design elements to bring sections to life and adjust margins or alignment so the document reads smoothly. Consistent fonts and colors will help the whole piece feel cohesive. If you uploaded an Excel file, your data appears in a Canva table that you can edit directly. Click any cell to update values, and use the toolbar to style the table with colors, borders, and fonts. Keep in mind that complex Excel formulas and calculations may not function after import. So double-check totals and keep an original copy for reference if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.